The immune system plays a major part of your health. It helps to keep infections at bay, but sometimes, we may feel like our defense system just isn't as strong as it used to be. Do you feel like colds, flus, or even everyday fatigue are hitting you harder than they should? The key to supercharging your defenses isn't found in a pharmacy but on your home. Most people underestimate how profoundly their daily food choices shape their immune system. But what if you could rebuild your immune health naturally, simply by eating the right foods? In this video, we'll uncover the hidden power of nutrition to transform your immune system and shield your body from infections. Welcome to Levitas. How food directly impacts immune function. Food is more than just fuel for the body, it's a powerhouse for your immune system. Everything you eat has the potential to either strengthen or weaken your natural defenses. When you consume nutrient-rich foods, you're providing the building blocks your body needs to create immune cells, fight pathogens, and repair damaged tissues. For example, proteins deliver essential amino acids that help build antibodies, while healthy fats support the integrity of cell membranes, including immune cells. But it's not just about the nutrients, food also directly impacts inflammation levels. High sugar and ultra-processed foods spike inflammation, which can weaken the immune function and leave you vulnerable to infections. On the other hand, nutrient-dense foods like meat, leafy greens, citrus fruits, berries and some seeds nourish your immune system and reduce inflammation, creating the perfect environment for it to thrive. Even the timing and variety of your diet play a role. Eating a wide range of colorful low-glycemic fruits and vegetables introduces a variety of phytochemicals that enhance immune cell activity. By making intentional and immune-friendly food choices, you're giving your body the tools it needs to fend off illness naturally. What vitamins are essential for immune health? Certain vitamins are absolutely critical for a robust immune system. These micronutrients serve as cofactors in immune cell production, function, and communication, ensuring your defenses operate at their peak. Vitamin C, known as the ultimate immunity booster, vitamin C supports the production of white blood cells and enhances their ability to fight infections. It also acts as a potent antioxidant, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. Found in lemons, bell peppers, and broccoli, vitamin C is an immune essential. Vitamin D, which is also known as the sunshine vitamin, is a vitamin that plays a pivotal role in modulating the immune system. It helps activate T cells, the body's first line of defense against pathogens. Fatty fish, fresh mushrooms, and sun exposure are excellent sources. Vitamin A is vital for maintaining the health of mucosal barriers, your body's first physical defense against pathogens. Vitamin A can be found in carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin E supports the repair of damaged cells and enhances immune cell function. Sources include almonds, extra virgin olive oil, and spinach. Together, these vitamins work in harmony to fortify your immune defenses, ensuring your body can respond effectively to threats. What minerals are essential for immune system? Minerals are just as important as vitamins when it comes to immune health, acting as crucial cofactors in enzymatic reactions and supporting the overall structure of immune cells. Zinc is a mineral that's considered the unsung hero of immunity, playing a central role in immune cell production and communication. It also helps shorten the duration of colds by inhibiting viral replication. You can get zinc from oysters, beef, and lentils. Selenium supports the body's antioxidant defenses and helps reduce inflammation. It also enhances the immune system's ability to fight off infections, especially viral ones. Brazil nuts, eggs, and mushrooms are excellent sources. Iron is essential for the production of hemoglobin. Iron ensures that your immune cells get enough oxygen to function effectively. Spinach, red meat, and lentils are rich in iron. Magnesium is a mineral that supports the production of antibodies and regulates inflammation. Foods like nuts, seeds, and avocados are magnesium-rich options. These minerals, when consumed in the right amounts, provide structural and functional support to the immune system, helping it operate efficiently and effectively. How gut health influences the immune system. Your gut is more than just a digestive organ, it's the command center for your immune system. Astonishingly, about 70% of your immune cells reside in your gut, making it a cornerstone of immunity. The gut is lined with a complex ecosystem of trillions of bacteria, known as the gut microbiome. These bacteria play a vital role in training immune cells to differentiate between harmful invaders and harmless substances. When the microbiome is balanced, it produces beneficial metabolites like short-chain fatty acids that enhance immune regulation and reduce inflammation. However, an imbalanced gut, caused by poor diet, stress, or meds, can compromise immune function, leading to chronic inflammation and heightened susceptibility to infections. To support gut health, focus on consuming prebiotic foods like garlic, onions, and unripe bananas, which feed good bacteria, and probiotic foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables, which replenish the microbiome. When you nurture your gut health, you create a strong foundation for your immune system, ensuring it responds efficiently to all kinds of challenges. Anti-inflammatory foods impact infections and severity. Did you know that chronic inflammation plays a huge part in debilitating your defenses? An anti-inflammatory diet is a game changer for your immune system. Chronic inflammation weakens immune cells, making you more susceptible to infections and increasing the severity of illnesses. Anti-inflammatory foods, such as fatty fish, proteins, nuts, seeds, and colorful vegetables, combat this by reducing pro-inflammatory markers in the body. These foods also contain bioactive compounds that directly enhance immune cell function and repair. For example, omega-3 fatty acids in fish and the polyphenols in berries help regulate inflammation and improve the efficiency of the immune response, reducing the risk and severity of infections. What's the role of antioxidants in boosting immune function? Antioxidants are considered the immune system's secret weapon against oxidative stress, a condition that weakens immune cells, promotes inflammation, and can damage your DNA. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, antioxidants preserve the integrity and function of your immune system. Key antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene are found in foods like citrus fruits, nuts, and sweet potatoes. These compounds enhance the activity of white blood cells, which are your body's frontline defenders against pathogens. Incorporating antioxidant-rich foods into your diet not only strengthens immunity but also accelerates recovery from illnesses. What are the best foods to fight infections? We now know that nutrition and high-quality foods play a huge role in keeping your defenses working like a clock. And you might be wondering, what are the best foods to help fight infections? Certain foods possess properties that can bolster your defenses against infections. Here are some of the best immune-boosting foods to incorporate into your diet. 1. Garlic is known for its potent antiviral and antibacterial properties. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that boosts white blood cell activity. Add raw, or lightly cooked garlic to soups, salads, or dressings. 2. Ginger is packed with anti-inflammatory and antiviral compounds. Ginger enhances immune cell function. Use it fresh in teas, smoothies, or stir-fries. 3. Citrus fruits, like lemons and grapefruits, are rich in vitamin C, which supports the production of immune cells. Enjoy them as a dessert or fresh juice. 4. Turmeric, which has curcumin. This active compound in turmeric has antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. Pair it with black pepper for better absorption and use it in curries, soups, or teas. 5. Green tea is a beverage which is loaded with catechins, which have antiviral effects. Drink 3 to 4 cups daily to support immunity. Incorporating these foods into your daily food plan provides your body with the nutrients and compounds it needs to fight off infections and stay resilient. In conclusion, the immune system is a remarkable network that relies heavily on the food you consume to maintain its strength and resilience. Nutrient-rich choices like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats provide the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants your immune cells need to function at their best. Vitamins such as C, D, A, and E act as catalysts in immune responses, while minerals like zinc, iron, selenium, and magnesium ensure efficient cellular communication and repair. Your gut health also plays a pivotal role, as a balanced microbiome supports immune regulation and reduces harmful inflammation. Adopting an anti-inflammatory diet amplifies these benefits, curbing chronic inflammation and enhancing your body's ability to fend off infections. Finally, incorporating foods like garlic, ginger, and citrus fruits into your meals equips your immune system with potent natural defenses. By focusing on these immune-supporting strategies, you can harness the power of nutrition to protect and rebuild your health naturally. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.